The following video will outline how you can undertake a simple uprate in MachShip. In order to uprate a rate card, you will need to navigate through to the rate cards page. To do this, select Admin and then Rate Cards. On the rate cards page, you will need to find the rate card or rate cards which you wish to uprate. You can do this by using the company, carrier, or carrier account filters, as well as the search bar. In this instance, I'm going to look to uprate my two Toll IPEC accounts. To do this, I will type in IPEC in the search bar, select the accounts, then select Actions and Uprate selected. You will see across the top that the Uprate Rate Cards modal will show you the rate cards that you are looking to uprate. Please validate to ensure that these are correct. The next thing that you will need to do is provide an effective date. This will be the date at which these rates will become active from, and it will create a version against these two rate cards with the new uprated amounts that will be effective from that date. To set the effective date, simply click the calendar icon and then select the date. I'm going to make these rates effective from the 30th of April. Once you have set the date, you will then need to provide MachShip with the amount at which these rate cards are to be uprated by. For a basic version, you can do this across all of the breaks, basics, and minimums at the same amount. The options you are given to uprate by are percentage of cost and dollar increase, where dollar increase will increase the rates by that dollar amount, and percentage of cost will increase the rates by that percentage amount. For this test, I'm going to use percentage of cost. I'm going to uprate by 4%, which I put in as 4. You then need to set your rounding type, the default being no rounding. The other rounding types that you have available to you are round down, round nearest, and round up. In all of those instances, you will be required to provide a set of decimal places. So if I selected round up, I would need to give a number of decimal places. You can also select increment up, increment down, and increment nearest. Increments being the nearest cent or dollar amounts at which this particular uprated amount should be rounded to. When you are putting an incremented value in, you will be required to provide it as a dollar figure. For example, if I was putting 5 cent amounts in there, I would say to increment it to the very nearest 0.05. Once you have set the amount at which you want to uprate by, simply select Uprate. MachShip will then go ahead and uprate that rate card and create a new rate card version. To check where this rate card version would be, we can go to the rate cards that we have uprated, select View Rate Card, and by scrolling down, you will see that there has been a rate card version created for the 30th of April. Looking at this rate card version, you can then validate that the lane rates have increased by the amount at which you are looking to increase them by. So that is how you would undertake a very simple uprate in MachShip.